Dear students, welcome back to the session. In the earlier sessions of Unit 2, we have learned about why we need minimization techniques and what are the different minimization techniques, and about Boolean algebraic rules and theorems, and we solved some of the problems. Some of the problems related to minimizing the Boolean expression. Now we will solve another Boolean expression to minimize it, that is A B complement C plus B D bar plus A B D bar plus A bar C. We have to minimize the given expression. So to solve it with using Boolean rules and theorems, we will first do, in these terms, if you observe, we take B as common, B variable common in these three terms. So we can take B common. A, B complement C plus B. Here B into 1, we can take it as B dot 1. So 1 plus D complement plus AD complement plus A bar C. This is from, you can say this is from distribution law. Now here you can see that, you can say that 1 plus D bar plus AD bar, and from our rule 1 plus anything is equal to 1. From our rule, 1 plus A is 1. So here we can write that A B bar C plus B dot, sorry, here it becomes as B. In place of here 1 plus anything will be equal to 1 plus A bar C. And from end rule, B dot or any variable dot 1 is nothing but that variable. From end rule, 1 dot A is nothing but A. So here we can write it as B. So A B bar C plus B plus A bar C. Okay. Now in these two terms we can take C as common. Okay. If you take C as common from these two terms, what are the remaining variables? A B bar in the first term and A bar in the second term plus B. And here we can, by the RLR, redundant literal rule, we can reduce the term to A bar plus B bar. How? By using distributive law again. RLR nothing but the application of distribution law. So what it states? If the variables are like this, you can write as A bar plus A and A bar plus B bar. So A bar plus A and A bar plus B. From RLR you can directly drop out the redundant literal. This here the redundant literal is this one. Otherwise you can expand using distribution law, and then you can drop this term plus B by using distribution law. What it states? A plus BC, you can write it as A plus B and A plus C. Otherwise, from RLR you can directly drop the redundant literal. What it is? A plus A bar B is nothing but A plus B. So directly you can write it as, otherwise you can expand it like this, or directly you can write it as A bar plus B bar plus B. Okay. Now if you expand it, this is nothing but A bar C and B bar C plus B. Again by using RLR, you can drop this literal. A bar C plus B bar and B plus C. This is we are writing based on the distribution law. Otherwise, from R and R you can directly drop this literal. So how it becomes? B plus B bar. Any variable complemented, any variable or with its complementer will give you 1. A plus A bar is equal to 1 from R rule. So this becomes A bar C plus here B plus C, we can write as B plus C. Again you can take C as common in these two literals. Otherwise from RLR rule you can directly drop this, here you can take C as common. So here A bar plus 1 plus B. Anything plus 1, again from R rule it will be 1. So here it will be B plus C. So this much expression is reduced to this B plus C. Now we'll see from this Boolean algebraic minimization we can conclude some of the things. See, first thing, if two men are solving the same problem, one might end up at this point and some people can go up to this point. Okay? There is no hard and fast rule that everybody should follow this procedure to minimize to this minimalistic expression. So while solving a reduction, two people can end up with two different solutions. Because there is no certain procedure. And also here you need to remember these many laws and theorems. So have to remember so many rules and theorems, which is a difficult one. And if the variables are increasing, here we are using 4 variable combination. It is a function of 4 variable. F is a function of 4 variable. If the function is having 6 and more, it is difficult to use this minimalistic theorem. More variables, more difficulty. And if two people are, well, in the first point we said that when two people are operating on the same expression, they can end up with two different solutions. If they want to check whether these expressions are true or false, or this minimized expression is the correct representation of this or not, they have to verify with the truth table. Verification is a tedious problem because it has to verify with truth tables. And if the number of variables are more, then the truth table verification will get a tedious problem. So because Boolean algebra solvation have these kind of disadvantages, we are going to next optimization technique, that is nothing but K-map optimization. K-map optimization. Or it is also called as Karnaugh map. So before going into the K-map optimization, minimization, we'll first acquaint with some of the terms which are related to the Boolean expression, which will be helping us to solve this K-map. Before that, we'll acquaint with some of the Boolean expression terms.